Hello, today I will show you a new cumulative update, and as you see on my PC, on my desktop, it's Windows 11 Insider Preview build, a beta channel, and as you see here we have a new feature rolling out. It's build number 22624.1616, and we have a second build 22621.1616. So different is in here, and here is 4. As we see, here is 1. And as we see, new feature rolling out on this build, this build, what I have new feature of by default. They are new by default. So as you see on my PC, as you see this Bing, it's not fixed because when I restart my PC, maybe if get back Bing, I was restart one time and a game is Bing, so that are not fixed, that are issues some. And as you see here, when we on the site, let's go and try to see what is new, what is fixed, what is not, and see what changes. And see here, languages support for some countries: Danish, English, Ireland, French, Canada, Korean, Portuguese, and that's all. Fixes the build 1616, and you see in general turning off the new toggle under settings with no update for getting to the latest updates as soon as they are available. And this update is okay, that's it, not something special. A fix underlying issue was causing a noticeable increase in Explorer exe crashes in the last flight. For some insiders, yes, fixed an issue where title keyboard didn't correctly recognize a hardware keyboard, was available in some cases. And live capture, some fixes we have. Fixes issue causing live capturance. Accessibility fixes an issue that was leaving voice window empty after opening, and so on. I will leave a link in the description so you can. And issue what we know, Microsoft, of course. Search on taskbar. If you have a Bing, that's what I'm talking about. If you have a Bing button, and I have it, a big button in the search box on the taskbar, and you restart your computer, you may see the daily rotation searching highlighting for some time before getting the Bing button back. I like the nature and some the picture. I don't like Bing, but okay, I can choose another. And we have here on live capture, and this is about the beta import. This is about the is placed where, and that will be all. Nothing special for now. I will leave you in the link in the description, and if you want, go to beta channel and see or install. Just go to Insider Preview and go choose to beta channel. So here, guys, and go to Windows Update, and here to Windows Insider Program. And if you want to be in Windows Insider Program, just here go to Edit, as you see on mine now, and I'm on beta program. Now we'll see like this, and I can leave inside the program, but I will not. I must go to edit and that and choose, and that's the to see my it's beta. We talk about here. It's a beta. See here, beta channel. So guys, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching. If you're not, please subscribe. Watch my previous video. If you like, please. It's a lot of me. If you are not, if you want to, I'll be glad. Subscribe, like, and share to great view my channel to grow my channel. Thank you for watching, guys, and bye.